Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 7405, and in this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to this laptop. To do it, you have to click the three icons on your status bar to open the control center. Then to enable Bluetooth, you have to click this icon and make it turn the blue color. By clicking the arrow icon next to it, you will see the list of available devices. At this point, you have to put your device that you want to connect to this laptop into pairing mode. Now, I cannot tell you how to do that, but you can check the manual and get to know how to put your device into pairing mode. Then do that, and then the device will appear on your list. To connect to it, just click on it. And this will connect your device to your laptop. To disconnect it, you have to click this device once again and select disconnect. To remove your device from your Bluetooth devices list, you have to select more Bluetooth settings right here, tap three dot icon above your device, select remove device, and this way you will remove the device from your computer forever. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.